Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So guys, how to download Epson Experience Home 4100 driver. So open any browser, search as it is same in the Google search box. First link to right click to new tab. So guys, this is Epson officially website for download. So close this cookies, scroll down. So guys, then please wait for loading. Then guys, select your operating system. All operating system are available, Linux, Mac and all. Okay, so I have Windows 11. Then click to go. Then guys, shows the drivers. This is combo pack installer. This is you have to have a good internet connection in your systems. Select extract to driver, and this is our different scanner drivers. All different drivers are available. Okay, so you can try to one by one. Firmware also available for mobile app, utilities, software updates. Okay, so click to download. Then guys, click to run. Again click to yes, apps and drivers, and then agree. So this is free softwares. Okay, this is photo scanner and this is guide. You need to know like how to clean your printer, like this all guidance is available. So if you need to, you can uncheck, otherwise you can check and then click to install. Connecting to servers. Now this is installing. Okay, so you can connect by USB. Firstly I recommend you firstly connect USB by the printer with your laptop and desktop. Okay, you connect to USB cable and wait for few minutes to install your printer driver. So now this is processing.